Tin number 10. You hope they aren't DT? I hope they are. I hope that we haven't gotten a case hit yet and they are on bottom 3. What are you trying to say? This one's got 4 hits in it. The first one with 4 hits. There we go. Anthony Randolph for the Knicks. We got a jersey card for the Cavs of Zydrunas Ilgauskas, rookie year jersey. All these teams at the bottom of the list getting all these hits, dude. 2 for the Hornets, 2 for the Cavs, 2 for the Raptors. Wow. Look at that. Who would have guessed? Alright, then for the Sixers, 76ers, we got Craig Brackens, rookie recruits. Auto. Then we got a patch. Oh boy. There you go. What's that number 2? 4 out of 5. 4 out of 5. So I'll let you guys see this one. I'll slow roll that one for you. Pretty sick, like laundry tag. Paul Pierce for the Celtics. 4 out of 5. That goes to D Bravo. Pretty sick. To the specifications of whatever athlete's on there. I'll show you the numbering. 4 or 5. Nice. And also for the Celtics, an Avery Bradley rookie jersey number 299. And a Rudy Gay base card for the Grizzlies. For my Rudy Gay PC. Sick. Tin number 11. Good luck. Come on, baby. Where are you hiding? Where's the big boy? Let's see the big boy here. Or 2, or 3. Alright, James Harden for the Thunder. Here's our first parallel base card. Devin Harris, number to 25 for the Nets. Got like some holofoil on it. First parallel base. Manu Ginobili jersey, same as the patch card we got earlier. Spurs getting some hits. For the Timberwolves, we got a Lazar Hayward auto, rookie recruit. Lazar Hayward. And we got another patch. Goes this way. Here we go. For the Rockets, it's all the same team. For the Rockets, 2-color patch of Hakeem Olajuwon. Hakeem the Dream, 2-color patch. Prime. 22 of 25. 22 of 25. And a Stephen Curry Warriors base. Here we go, 10-12. 10-12, look how we slowed down. We've averaged out to only 1 redemption per 2 tins now, on average. This one's super thin. The first thing one had the Jason Kidd auto. Let me go get another veteran auto right here. Veteran base auto or something. Alright, Trevor Ariza for the Hornets. Another Chris Kaman jersey card for the Clippers. It's our second one of those in this case. Number 34 of 99. Then we got Manu Ginobili, Tim Duncan, and Tony Parker. Numbered 15 of 25, triple jersey for the Spurs. And our thin auto is a redemption. We got Stephen Curry for the Warriors. And it's Kobe Bryant. Signature silver card number 1. There you go, Fish Daddy. That is why you don't sell the Lakers. Card number 1 is Kobe Bryant silver. Signature silver. I think that's the same as the Jason Kidd. I think this is signature silver. Probably numbered to 25. Yet again, it's a redemption. Alright, 3 more tins to go. Peace.